Bruno Talkies, Lights, Camera, Actions. Girls and guys, please subscribe and share on all social media so I can post important content related to Canada visa, USA visa, Shenzhen visa, Malta visa, and other stuff like poems. Basically, as you can see, there is a tin roof. I've had that for a very long time. There's a tin plate in my town. I was in US for 14 years, but now I'm in Tata Nagar, and the Tropic of Cancer is right over here. So Canada, and then there is tin plate. And anyways, uh, I will reveal an important thing in this. Temporary Foreign Worker Permit (TFWP) is the best way to get to Canada. Uh, my company is called IRRC Solutions. I've had it since 2003. So you get the C, so Canadian immigration agency is called IRCC. The C is from 3, and if you see, like, I have IRRC Solutions and IRRC Consultants and IRRC Solutions Private Limited, registered in USA as well as in India. And I operated that for quite some time. So basically, our first client was via Joe Cowens, and Joseph Biden, like Joe Biden is the president of USA, and consulting vice president of Wisconsin Physician Services (WPS) was Joe Cowens, who let me in on a secret that there was a Medicare insurance fraud problem, $100 billion worth, that needed to be solved, and my company could help. And I did offer to help with an anti-insurance fraud solution, and also streamlining claims processing via having data on a smart card, medical as well as financial. And we progressed further in the talks with this company called WPS, and Tommy Thompson was the governor of Wisconsin and just retired health secretary of USA under George Bush. So we talked in 2004 2005, and so you get TFWP, TT for Tommy Thompson, and TF is R, FPM is R, and between T and F is S. So you get SWP, WPS, Wisconsin Physician Services, our only real client, other than there was a telemedicine one from South Africa. So basically, and also there's a Karnataka, where people speak Kannada like Canada, and that's the only state that agreed to become my franchisee for IRRC Consultants, and they paid part of the franchisee fees. We signed the agreement, and they wanted a contract for all of Karnataka for IRRC Consultants, like IRRCC. So an extra R for, like, my initials, RS, R, Rajan. Anyways, guys, all the best. Get the temporary foreign work permit, which means you don't need to prove settlement funds to immigrate. Even for a visitor visa, you need to show serious money in your bank account, and must have money in your person when you are at the airport being interviewed by Canadian Customs twice, CBP. They have 2 interviews. I never faced any interview in America, but in Canada I've heard they have 2 rounds of interviews. And in many of these countries, especially with tourist visa, they check your finances to make sure you have money, otherwise they deport you straight back. No questions. No, you can't beg them. They will simply not entertain. Anyways, guys, all the best. Share, like, subscribe. So that's TFWP from WPS, Joe Cowens, Joe Biden, Justin Trudeau, and of course